Hello friends, I'm Pranav and you're watching my channel Budgie. So the topic of today's video is how to trim your budgie's overgrown beak. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can trim your budgie's overgrown beak to make the beak well shaped. So here I have a male budgie, but as you can see, the color of his ear is pink, as I explained in previous video. So his lower beak is overgrown, which I'm going to trim. How I'm going to show you by using a right method. Before starting, I want to tell that trimming the beak will not going to hurt the budgie at all. But if we trim the beak across the line, as you can see, this line below this, the blood supply started. So first of all, hold the budgie in correct way, as I explained in previous video. By using your pointer finger and your thumb, hold the lower part of your budgie, hold the lower beak of your budgie like this, and trim. Just slowly trim it. So you can see that the beak is trimmed well. Like this. Like this. You can trim your budgie's beak like this, as I shown a correct way. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please share, subscribe and like. Thank you.